All right, in this real quick, easy video, I'm gonna show you how to select a random number from a list. So what we're gonna do is first, we're gonna import random, which is a Python package. So we're gonna import random, and we're gonna create a really basic list. So why would you ever wanna do this? Let's say, I don't know, let's say you're writing a really simple game and, you know, you have to have, so you pick your color, all right? Let's say you have a bunch of colors, you pick your color, and the enemy has to pick their color, but you don't want it to be the same one every single time, right? That's boring. So you would have a list of colors, and you would import random, and you'd have it pick a random one from that list, all right? Let's show you how we do this. So I'll actually stick with that example. So we'll create a color list, and what are some colors that we know of? Well, we got red, we got blue, we got yellow, we got yellow, I can't type, yellow. Spacing on color names already. Orange. What other ones exist? Yeah, let's just do red, blue, yellow, and orange. Oh, green. How did I not think of green? Green. All right. Whew. The struggle. We have our color list. Now I want to pick a random color from this list. So we have our color list here, and what we can do is we can basically print. So we go print random, and we can call choice from random, and we can put in our color list, okay? And I get green. And actually, let's talk real quick. What is choice? So choice is a way, it's built within random, and allows you to choose a random item from a sequence. Okay, so the sequence could be a list, it could be a tuple, it could be a string, or anything that's like basically iterable. You can also use something like choices. So choices with an S, which allows you to choose multiple random items from either a list, a set, or a data structure. So let's put choices in here. I run it to k equals 2. All right, so by using choices, I can now pick 2 random ones. And if you want, you can then like index it from here. So if you are creating a game, I'll say my color is random and the enemy's colors, excuse me, is random as well. And so we're gonna do that. I can also add a bigger number here, so 3. And now I get 3 random colors picked here. I can do the same thing with numbers and whatnot, but again, that's how the difference between choice and choice is. But again, I want just one choice, okay? And if I wanted to, I could also create this as a function. So let's call this randomizer, I guess. Something, right? And it's gonna take in X, and what it's going to do is it's going to return my random dot choice, and it's going to take it from X. All right. And so now let's say I have my randomizer. All right. I'm going to put in this case my color list. Okay. I run it and I get yellow. Actually, and here's what I'll do to show just kind of why you would create it like this as well. So let's say I had another list. We're going to call it, I don't know, just numbers. Nice and simple, right? Easiest list to ever be made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I have my numbers and I want to use my randomizer again, but I want to apply it to my numbers. And I run it and I get a random number from it as well. So I can create a function that is reusable instead of just the print, which I think is really helpful. And lastly, same thing, if I wanted to use choices, so I would need a multiple, I'll do k equals 2, run it, we now get 2, run it, now we get 2 as well.